Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I am doing a review and packing video on the Jujube Be Supplied bag, and the print that I have here is the Sakura Swirl, and this is what it looks like. Super pretty. It comes with these tote handles. I really like these because they're not rolled, they're just a flat strap. Makes it really nice and very comfortable. It does come with attached messenger straps here, and it has a memory foam padding, and you guys, I love that logo there. So pretty, and this is really comfortable. And they're attached here at the D-rings on the side. So the front here you have your mommy pocket. Would you call that a mommy pocket? I would call it a mommy pocket, even though this is a pump bag. Zips around. There are no gussets on the side. Just a mesh pocket there and a key clasp. And on the side, this pocket is the pump pocket. Goes really deep and actually really high too. And on the opposite side pocket, you have two mesh slip pockets there. And on the back, you have a slip pocket. Super pretty print, you guys, so cute. And the bag opens around like that. It's kind of curved, very interesting. So all of the pockets on the side are one zippered, but the main compartment, the zipper there, is a double zipper. And that's what the inside looks like. See, that's the pump pocket there. It's really good size on the inside and a zipper pocket. And that's pretty much it. Not a lot of internal organization. Okay, so the bag is really nice, but there are a few things that I do struggle with while using this bag. I don't want to say I don't like it, it's just things that I struggle with because I know this is a pump bag, it is not a Jujube diaper bag. So one thing I struggle with is that there is no tech pocket. I'm very used to, you know, the Jujube diaper bags having that tech pocket, and I understand that this is a pump bag, but yeah, I struggle with that. Like, I have no idea where to put my phone. And as you guys can see with these three outside pockets, they're closed off. They're zippered, so there's no open pocket. So I don't have any place for me to easily throw in my phone. And with that being said, because there's no open pockets, I don't really know where to put my water bottles, the kids' water bottles, or just anything to quickly throw into. This bag doesn't have that. And again, I understand this is a pump bag. You know, there aren't like bottle pockets for your bottles or anything like that. So I struggle a little bit there. And the last thing that irks me a little bit with this bag is that no matter which pocket I try to open, there's always a strap in the way. So here, there's the strap there. And on the side, when I zip it up and around, I have this strap getting there, and that's the same on this side. So annoys me a little bit with the straps just always being there in the way no matter which pocket I use. And the back does have a slip pocket. I know some moms can throw their phone in there, but for me it's just a little bit awkward, especially when I throw it on my shoulder. The bag tends to press in this way when it's against myself, kind of just press, and it's just a little bit awkward for me to like push it out and try to pull open that pocket. That's just me. I don't know. I don't know. I'm trying to make this work though. So I'm going to show you guys how I packed it and the best way I can make it work for myself, and we'll get into that. Okay, so first we're going to start with this mommy pocket here. Very simple. I'm just going to put my wallet into that mesh pocket there. And my lipsticks, my glasses, should really be putting that in a case, and my keys. I'm actually gonna clip it here, like that. And on the side. So this pump pocket, I know a lot of moms like to keep all of their sippy cups, drinks, and snacks in there. That is what I did when I first got this bag. It's just kind of what I thought to do. But I decided to put my changing things in there instead, the diapering needs. Like that. Another mom suggested that to me and I decided to switch it up, and I actually like it better that way. And on the opposite side, in this pocket here, I'm just gonna put, so here I have like utensils and a bunch of stickers for the kids and notepads in there. And on this opposite side here, I'm gonna put my tissues, hand sanitizer, and the Tylenol right there. Let me zip that up. Okay, I'm gonna take off the messenger straps. They're driving me a little nuts. Okay. Oh, yes. And on this back pocket here, I'm going to put my daughter's book, her favorite one at the moment, in there. And for the main compartment, I like to fold this flap down here. So I like to keep that flap folded into the bag, and I actually keep this main compartment open the entire time. Because I had mentioned earlier that all of these outside pockets are closed off, they're zippered, there's no open pockets for easy access. So what I end up doing is keeping this open so I have easy access to put in my bottle, my phone, things like that, and I'll show you that in a bit. Just because the outside pocket, I wish they were open, but as you guys can see, this is how it opens all the way around. I don't really feel comfortable leaving it open. Now, if these pockets were double zippered, I wouldn't mind having both of the zippers zipped up on the side and having it open at the top a little bit, but I don't have that option. Okay, so as you guys can see, there's not a lot of internal organization. So what I like to use while I'm using this bag is to use my Totesavvy. Here I just have a few extra baggies, so I'm gonna slide this in. Okay, so I have the Totesavvy into my bag, and this is what it looks like. Gives me a little bit more organization. And because I want the bottle pockets on the outside, but I don't have that option, I just put my bottles into the back two pockets there. And because I keep this top side open at all times, it's easy to have access to my bottles, things like that. So my daughter's sippy in one, and a water bottle next to it, like that. And in this back zippered pocket, I'm gonna keep a granola bar for myself. I get hangry, you guys, so I definitely need a snack in there. And then a snack pouch that I am going to put in this front pocket here. And there that goes. And this is actually just a little pocket. It's not a full-size pocket. And in there, I keep my phone. So there it is, my phone. I have a spot for my phone now. So this is the best way I can make it work for myself. I like that when I'm carrying it, I can easily grab a water bottle, put it back in really easily. There's a spot for that. And having a phone pocket, that's my phone pocket there. This bag isn't love for me. It's a really pretty bag. It's a really great size. I like it. It's just for myself. I can't quite make it work. It's a little bit awkward for me. I'm gonna wait until my Sakura Swirl Be Right Back comes in. And if I like that one more, then you know, I'll be happy to rehome her to somebody else who will love her. But that is how I have it, you guys. It does get a little bit heavy, but once I use the messenger strap that comes with it, you know, that padded strap helps a lot. So it's a really great bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and packing. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.